Good morning, everybody. Another day in the stock market. We got CPI, we got PPI report today, and the CPI we got tomorrow. We got FOMC today at 2 p.m. and market dipped down and now it's rising up. So let's see what's going on. So right now, good news is 5 minutes MACD pre-market is golden crossing, and until you don't see a 1 minute MACD dead cross, this can continue going up. 15:30 is upward. 1 hour is getting a golden cross, good sign. 4 hours still upward, and daily is still upward. But I don't like the weekly, to be honest. So just that's a little bit cautious sign for me, for everybody should be. And we got a statistic fast golden cross, and until we don't have a 4 hour dead cross on the indexes and major names, there is still chance to go higher. But there is a but. Be cautious because we are still the war is going on. There's still lots of things coming up. There's a lot of names ran up already a lot. Earning season is around the corner. So we'll see what's gonna happen. There is a possibility until the weekly not showing any bullish sign. There is a possibility, maybe I'm just giving out the scenario. Maybe for whatever reason, we get a big pullback, then go up again. But for now, direction is up. But it's a little bit weakening. The speed is slowing down. So we'll see the indicators and what the market gives. Yesterday was an example. Market shows a little bit market weakness, that any bad news comes in, it can suddenly turn around and give a pullback. So gotta be cautious. Whatever, if you're holding any stock or any shares, should have a hard stop on it in case something suddenly happens. So you can see here it run up, now it gives a dark blue bar, so it's pulling back. So anyhow, NQ same thing. 5 not golden cross yet. 15 was upward, but right now it's not that cross yet. And we got 30 minutes. We got a dark blue bar. 1 hour wanted to golden cross, but right now it's diverting. So if the 4 hour dead crosses is not gonna be good, and we may get a pullback. Just keep that in mind. But daily is very bullish, and I like to see some positive sign. The weekly we are golden cross on a statistic fast, but as I said, be cautious until we're not fully golden cross. There is a chance anytime this run up can fail and give a pullback, major pullback, then runs up crazier, even higher. So my in long term, yes, everything's gonna go up, but just giving a heads up in case something happens. Dow Jones. Golden cross on the daily upward. I just don't like this red bar on the weekly. RUT golden cross on daily, but still very red bars there. Yesterday was a lot of money flowing into small caps, and they were the greenest index they were the greenest index. So yeah, just keep an eye on small caps too. Let's go to TNX. TNX is pulling back hard. Daily is dead cross, and 45.74 is a major level right now, is holding. So if it goes below that, then we can go lower to 43.71 next level. The lower this goes, the good for market. But this is right now is at the critical point. So if it passes a strong, we can dive down to the lower level. Maybe it goes back to 40. But be cautious if the 1 hour or 4 hour golden cross. For now, general direction on TNX is downward. DXY same thing. General direction is downward. Daily is dead cross since few days ago, and until we don't have a 4 hour golden cross, this can continue downtrend. But keep an eye on DXY. It is the market direction. Every time it jumps up, market gives a pullback. Every time it pulls back, market can rip up higher. So if you just look at yesterday, at the all these, like, look here at 9:45, it starts going down until 10. Then when it jumps, market a little bit pull back, and when it falls, market rips up again. So and then when the news hit yesterday, it jumped up. So DXY is one of the best indicator right now to show where is the market going. For now, it's pulling back, so the lower this goes, market can rip up higher. 105 and 492, that's a key level to watch. Once it passes that one, then it can go to the lower level and text can rip up higher. What else? SPX. SPX right now, it should be opening about yesterday high. So key level to watch is 43.92. If it most likely that's possible to come today. If it passes that one, then 4400. Next target is 4422.19. If you go crazy, then we can go to the higher level. 4422. If passes this week or any reason next week, we are back to 4500, 4518. To BTC, nothing exciting there. Apple, 5 minutes golden cross, 15 we got a yellow bar, so just need to pass high of yesterday, 179.51. Passes that one, we're looking at 181, 180, 183.2. But again, I don't like that the 4 hour just dead cross pre-market, so it's a little bit sign of weaknesses. It's bullish on daily, it's not bear, it's very bearish on weekly, but 4 hour dead crossing pre-market is not a good sign at all. If it pulls back, next support we're looking at 177, 175.82. Amazon to Amazon still bullish on the 4 hour daily. MACD is upward. They have their event going on today and yesterday, and 130.59. If it passes that one, we're looking at 130.103. If it passes that one is strong, 132.46 is the next target. Nvidia got an upgrade, so there's a high chance that opens get some jumps up. 462.98 is the pre-market high. Past that one, we're looking at 464, 466.35. If it does pass 466, then we're going looking for 468, 471, 474. Still bullish on the hourly and 4 hour, and daily is super bullish. So keep an eye on Nvidia at open. Baba was very strong yesterday too. It's opening above 87.59. Next target levels are 88.79, 89, and 90.56. 1 hour is about the golden cross, so it does have chance to get to 90 today. Bidu, it's hanging there, and we have to see the actions there. 137.27 is still my target. If it passes that one, then we're looking at the higher level, 138, 141, 144. Netflix, it was trying to join the run up. 388.64 was the key level. It needed to pass that one, but then news hit and it fall hard. Right now is holding 373.88 very strong. So if it can hold there, we can go down to 369, 367.28. 4 hours already dead cross yesterday. Still bullish on the day. It's still MACD is not dead cross on daily, but need to get above 377.96 for recovery. Earning is next week, so this one is under watch big time. Meta is just on the run. And, keep in mind, I mean, these old, everybody's just posting videos to social media. Everybody's coming to social media, checking news, what's going on, and everything. So the traffic there is higher. So it's good for Instagram, for Facebook, and everybody, Twitter. So 4 hour, we got a dark blue bar on Meta, and that's why it's keep going up. So for 326, 324, 36 is it's a very major level, and it resisted it yesterday at 340 324.66. If it does pass 324.36, we're looking at next level 327, 331, and 335.82. Pre-market not clear the direction. If it does give a pullback, we're looking at 320, 317.29 support. 4 hour got a dark blue bar, so be cautious a little bit on it, but most likely at some point it can break and go higher. Tesla was a beautiful runner yesterday. What's interesting about Tesla is, it gapped down yesterday open, but as soon as it opens, it boom, it jump. Then 15 Mac. This is why I always tell you guys, if you see something downward, and then as soon as it opens 15, 30 MACD golden cross, it can be a non-stop. And same thing, 1 hour was dead cross, boom, it golden cross 15:30, and then was just a big time jumper. And right now it's gapping up a little bit, but let me just bring this here. But 15 and 30 MACD is already dead cross. 1 hour is kind of flat. 4 hour is still very bullish. 4 hour got a golden cross yesterday too, and daily is very bullish. Weekly MACD is curving up. Once the weekly MACD golden crosses, it can go crazy. Earning is next week, so that's under watch. 266.67 passes that one. We're looking at 269, 270, 293. Above 270, 293. If it passes that one is strong, we're looking at 275, 279, 283.08. But again, if it drops, if it gives a pullback because the 15 and 30 MACD dead cross, next supports are 264, 262, and 260.41. Microsoft a little bit showing a weakness. 4 hours already dead cross. So yesterday was very weak actually, and that was one of the reason market techs weren't flying up at open very strong. They eventually flew up higher, but they didn't because Microsoft and Google were weak. So keep an eye on Microsoft. 4 hours already dead cross, but pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hours upward. So right now is about 331. That's a key level to watch. If it can pass 331.41, we can run up to 333, 336, 338. But keep in mind yesterday was weak, so that's just a little bit alarming there. Pull if you see 15:30 MACD dead cross 329, 327, 326, 17 next levels. Google same thing like Microsoft. They were both weak yesterday. 4 hours already dead cross, but it's bullish on weekly and daily, and need to pay attention to the levels 3 138.55 and 139.36. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 140 can go to 140.62, 142, 144.72. If it goes below 137.92, it can go to the lower level. AMD is very strong name, but again 4 hour we got a dark blue bar for now. It's not that cross yet. Weekly I love it, that got a yellow bar. That's a very positive sign. 110.12 yesterday high. If that's past that one, we're looking at 110.67, 111, 112.21. Boeing got an upgrade again, and this one is on the run. Daily MACD is golden cross, and earning is I think in 2 3 weeks. Um, 2 weeks I think. So 196.91, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, we're looking at 198, 200, 203.11. Direction is upward on Boeing, and a lot of people are loading up on this one. 200 most likely will come this week. SPY. For now, it's just a little bit kind of a yo-yo action in a very 2 points up and down. So we have to see key levels to watch is 430, 496 and 436.45 with the midpoint of 435.61. Passes either way, it can make a bigger move. 436.45, if it passes, we're looking at 437, 439, 442.03. If it goes below 434, we're looking at 433, 432.54 is the next support. Pre-market right now 5 is up, 15 is kind of flat, and 30 and 1 hour is upward, and 4 hours is not dead cross. Once it dead cross, then we can talk about a major bigger pullback. um, QQQ 369.59 and 370.86. These are the two key levels to watch. Passes either one can make a bigger move. If it goes above 370.86, we're looking at 371, 373, 375.1. Below 369.59, we're looking at 368, 367.58. 4. This is a very very major level. 367.54. If any time market this week or next week goes below this, we can have a major pullback. But for now is defending it very hard. Yesterday defended it. Today most likely will defend. We'll see what the CPI and FOMC today and the CPI tomorrow does. The pre-market right now 15 is curved down. If it dead cross and 30 follows, we can have a bigger pullback. What else you got here? IWM was very strong yesterday, so 177.21, 178.25 is the next target there. Above that, we can run up to 181, 183, 186.11. AVGO was a big runner yesterday too, but give a big pullback after the news of Hezbollah getting involved. Um, for direction looking down on 15:30 on 1 hour, 4 hour we got dark blue bar. If it does pass 862, we can run up to 873, 880, 877, 884 and higher level. SMCI was a monster runner yesterday. 316.72, if it can pass it. 1 hour has already dead cross, but if it jumps at open today and 316.72 passes, we're looking at 323, 328, 333. TLT is on the run because of TNX pullback. Once the daily MACD golden cross, this is gonna get interesting. Gotta keep on that under watch. JP Morgan has earning coming up soon, and we'll see what the earning does. LRCX was interesting yesterday too, but again got a big pullback. 640.2, that's a key level to watch. If it passes that one, 643, 648.44. LLY gapping up open today, a strong name, and daily MACD is golden cross, so 612, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, all-time high is 601.84. Passes all-time high, we're looking at 605, 612.42. Snow, 164.57. If you can pass that one, 166, 169.39. Adobe, next level there is 543.85 and higher level. Caterpillar, weekly is dead cross, but right now is jumping up every day up and is recovering. If daily MACD golden cross, this can go all the way back up. 276, 278, 74 is the next target there. What else? CRWD, 4 hour, you got a dark blue bar, so some slowdown there. PDD, to next major level is 114.56. Pan W, 258.80 is the all-time high. And if that one passes, we're looking at 265.3 the next target. Keep an eye on Pan W. This one does have a chance. Let me add this to my charts here. So, yeah, that one, keep an eye on that one. If passes all-time high, 265.3 is easy to come. Net is on the run too. 67.94 is the next target. Above that can run up to 73.16. What else you got here? Airbnb was strong yesterday. Nice bounce up. 130 to 132.99, 134.64 is the next target there. Above that can run up higher level. ENPH, weekly MACD finally golden cross and got a yellow bar, so that's something interesting. 128.85 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 134, 141.56. FSLR maybe joins that too, so we're looking at 156, 164.22. What else you got here? SQ was a monster runner yesterday. Next target there is 47, 49, 50.41. What else? ZS. This one keeps just going. I need to get the levels on this one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, pre-market right now, there is some weaknesses. Any news, just be cautious. Anytime any news comes, there is a possibility a big dump comes very fast, so be cautious. Right now, pre-market, 15 is dead cross. 30, we got a dark blue bar. So if 30 minutes MACD dead cross, we can have a pullback. And same thing on QQQ. We got 15 is already dead cross, and 30 we got a dark blue bar. So if that one dead cross confirms in the 30 minutes, 368, 367, 54 is the next support. Again, we ran up a lot right now. There is a possible scenario that we can have a pullback, then jump up again. But the question is how big the pullback is gonna be. As always, best of luck. Thanks for tuning in. If you like, you can join Side Option Service, or if you just want level chartweiser.com, and have a lovely day.